I mentioned earlier that your analysis model has classes in it, and those classes are likely to show up in the design model. However, some additional classes may also need to be there. What's going on is the following. Object-oriented development methods have an advantage called traceability. What this means is that you can see, starting with the real world that's being modeled, classes that directly represent those real world objects. Those classes show up in the object-oriented design as well, and in the ultimate code. That is, you can trace a line in either direction between the real-world problem and the code constructs. This can be a real benefit in dealing with maintenance of the system. However, along the way, you may have to invent some other classes, and that's what we want to examine. First and foremost, you may need to implement relationships. Your programming language doesn't have associations in it. It's going to be up to you to come up with a way for each of the associations in the analysis model, how you're going to deal with it at design time and in your program. You're also going to have to deal with intermediate results. For example, if you have some complex computation that's going to be used in several places, you want to store it in some intermediate variable and then reuse it in the two places so you don't have to recompute it. Constructing those intermediate results may mean you're inventing new classes. And third, you may want to invent new classes for abstraction purposes. Object-oriented languages provide you the ability to have abstract classes which capture common features of lower-level classes, and inventing those abstract classes and including them into your design can improve long-term maintainability.